We've made it simple and easy to reorder products you've purchased from us in the past. Once you're logged in to your shop.regencylighting.com, on your account dashboard, click View My Orders. This takes you to an order page that shows all the orders you've placed with us online before. It'll break down and show when the order was placed, where it's shipped to, where it's billed to, what items were sent, subtotals, and other helpful information. Once you find the item that you need, click on Reorder Item. This will automatically add that item to your shopping cart. You're able to add as many items that you need, or if you need to order a new item you haven't yet purchased from us online, you can easily use the search functionalities on the catalog to find the product that you're looking for. When you're ready to check out, click on your shopping cart and click View and Edit Cart. This is where you're able to adjust any of the quantities as needed. Once you've updated your quantity, click Update. When your order is ready to go, click Proceed to Checkout and follow the prompts through the checkout process to place your order.